I was recently gifted a Canon 5D Mark II, and I wanted to try installing Magic Lantern and seeing what kind of results I would get with shooting raw video on this old camera. So here are a few tests. This first test, shot number 1, was shot with an ISO setting of 320 and a f-stop on the lens of 2.4. I did not light the scene. I just used the existing overhead ceiling lights. And for sound, I used the Canon 5D Mark II's internal microphone.
Test 1, 2, 3.
For shot 2, the settings were exactly the same as shot 1, except the file got corrupted for some reason. So here's an example of what a corrupted MLV file looks like.
Test 1, 2, 3.
So this last shot, number 3, shows an ISO setting of 100, same f-stop of 2.4, and in addition to the ceiling lights, I added a ring light to illuminate the foreground and make it pop a little bit more against the background. I think the visuals are pretty obvious that using an additional light, a key light, will be very helpful in any kind of talking head video. So always have that in your kit, guys, is have that some kind of light to illuminate the foreground. In addition to having a better quality image due to better lighting, the sound is also much better because I'm recording using the DJI Mic Mini plugged directly into the Canon 5D mic port.
Test 1, 2, 3.
In conclusion, the Canon 5D Mark II with Magic Lantern installed is turning out to be a very solid tool for making some beautiful imagery. It produces that ARRI look, that ARRI color that I'm looking for, has pretty good sound, and with a full frame sensor and some good glass, I think this will produce some very pleasing images for my next cinematic projects. In addition, couple this with my EOS M, and now I have 2 cameras that will have very similar looks and technologies, so they will match together pretty nicely if I need to cut back and forth. All in all, I'm pretty happy with this camera, and if you guys get a chance to acquire one, I would recommend that you also install Magic Lantern and give this a try. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. Happy storytelling.